Agile isn't magic. And if you're making these mistakes, then Agile will likely not work for you. Let's fix them. The fact is, Agile is amazing, but it's really easy to mess up. Here are the top 3 mistakes people make when doing Agile. The first is skipping sprint reviews. If you don't reflect, you don't improve. So sprint reviews are critical to improving when you're working with Agile. The second mistake is micromanaging teams. Agile, by its very nature, thrives on trust. So you have to give your team space to deliver, or you might end up smothering your team. And the last mistake, which is really critical, is forgetting the customer and just focusing on the methodology. Agile is about delivering value, so keep the customer at the center in whatever you do. Good tip is pick one Agile practice like sprint planning or sprint review and commit to doing it right the next project you take on. What's the biggest Agile mistake you've seen? Let's discuss below. And if you don't know a lot about Agile, then keep following to learn more.